With my growing belly, sleep has been a challenge. Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm 38 weeks along.
My name is Dawn and I'm 27 weeks along with my second child. My doctor recommended that I sleep on my side during pregnancy.
I wanted more support to be comfortable while sleeping.
My name's Amanda. I'm 32 weeks along and this is my third child.
Developed with a physical therapist, the leg cushion supports my knees and ankles to alleviate strain at my hips.
I'm modifying my Boppy custom fit total body pillow for side sleeping. It makes sleeping easier and more comfortable.
I choose the pieces I want, I easily attach them together, and I enjoy a good night's sleep.
Another great advantage is that it's machine washable. It's easy to use, and with a full night's sleep, I wake up feeling rejuvenated.
I love the Boppy brand, it's comfortable support.